Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crazy Werewolf in the House. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Oppo K1. So let's get right into it. Now let's put the phone aside. Here is the box itself. Instruction manual. A headphone jack. A cable. And a fast charge power brick. That's it, and a SIM tool as well. Let's get to the phone. This is the Oppo K1 with the water drop display. I've just booted up the phone. It has the AMOLED display, and look at the back, it's just wonderful. Let's see how quick it is. And booyah, it's quite quick. It's got a dual camera at the rear and a front facing single camera. The phone is very quick, as you can see. It can multitask very easily. The phone costs about 16,990 right now. It's got 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage, expandable up to 256 GB. Let's see how it works. That's the camera app. Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor. It's got a 3600 mAh battery, a 25 MP plus 2 MP rear camera configuration, and a 25 MP front camera. It's got an in-display optical fingerprint scanner, which is wonderful. Just great display. And sound as well. Check out my YouTube channel and do click that notification bell for any further updates like slime. I have done many videos for you to watch. The recent one is slime and the intro video. I have also some other videos. Go check out. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.